Hey y'all, welcome back to Sin City Review. Today we're checking out a Verona SX 405S-12, basically semi-auto shotgun. This is for a customer. It's a girl. She's basically on a shooting team. She's the only girl, so wanted to make her gun pink. I think it turned out really awesome. Of course, Cerakote prison pink. Left everything factory except for the barrel, the action, the frame, and of course the end of the magazine tube up there. Swivel. But all in all, it turned out pretty freaking awesome. More of a satin high gloss finish on this one. Flip the gun around real quick. Go ahead and lock back the action for you guys. Then of course, bolt release on the other side. Turned out pretty awesome. Pretty happy with it. As you can see, the choke's in there. Okay, y'all, as always, questions, comments, concerns, leave them and I will answer accordingly. Turned out pretty well. Pink is, I wouldn't necessarily say it's growing on me, but I am starting to get a little more fond of it, we'll say that. Anyways, until next time.